welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today's video is a Primark haul. However, there is a twist. When I stepped into my local Primark store, I noticed that all the mannequins were dressed already in autumnal kind of outfits. And as much as I hate cutting summer short, and I'm sure you guys are there with me, I just got so excited about all the autumn fashion. Personally, I much prefer like autumnal kind of fashion to summer fashion. I just think it's so much cuter. There's way more you can do. So I hope you guys don't mind too much that I'm making like an autumnal video already. I just couldn't help myself, okay? The mannequins were literally Pinterest worthy. I absolutely love the outfits they were wearing. And so for today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to only buy Primark outfits that were worn by the mannequins in store. Okay, so in my local Primark, it's not like the biggest Primark ever. It's not like the London ones, that's for sure. They don't have like loads of different sections with mannequins. I think they had like 4 or 5 mannequins in total. So you best believe I literally picked up every single outfit I could find that was on a mannequin. So when I stepped into the store, this is what was available, and I got so excited because these are brand new pieces. I've not seen them yet, and I feel like all summer they have kind of been regurgitating the same sort of style outfits. As you can see, they've gone for very earthy kind of tones with this sort of collection that they've brought out. There's a lot of greens, there's a lot of like patterns, stripes, checkers, which I'm not normally keen on, but I loved it on the mannequin, so I thought let's just, you know, step out of our comfort zone and try something new. I think my favorite outfit was for sure this one, and even though it's so different to my normal style, I just really was drawn to it. So the base of the outfit was this plaid shirt kind of dress. I just love it so much. It's definitely not my usual style, but I really like it. I got this in a size 8 and it was only £14. I just think it's so cute, definitely very autumnal. Over the top, it was then styled with this chunky knit kind of sweater in this gorgeous like earthy green kind of color. I absolutely love how slouchy this is. Look how low like the actual shoulder is. It's very bat wing kind of style. Honestly obsessed with it, and I think it goes so well with that dress. Oh, and by the way, the sweater was £15. And then they did also accessorize a little bit. So first up we have this bag, which they kind of just like accessorized over across the shoulder. This was only £7. It's a really nice like simple bag that will just go with anything. And lastly, my favorite part of this outfit was the beret. Just a simple black beret, but it does so much for this outfit. I'm honestly in love. It just spices up any outfit for autumn, and it just looks so cute. This outfit looked amazing on the mannequin. Will it look as good on me? I guess we'll find out. All right guys, so here is the first outfit. I am sure you guys are as shocked as I am to see me in something like this. Like I said, this definitely is not my normal style, but looking in the mirror, I'm like, dang, who is that? I actually really like this. Like, it's so different for me. I also paired it with my Doc Martens, by the way. I definitely really love this like cozy vibe. It's giving dark academia, and I'm actually really liking it. I think it's the beret and the glasses that are really like spicing it up a little bit. Apart from that, like it just would be quite a plain outfit, I think. I do also really like the way that they've styled like the bag across like this. I feel like this outfit is definitely giving like Pinterest vibes or like early Instagram vibes. When everybody on Instagram was like wearing vintage kind of fashion, I feel like that's what this is giving. Let me know what you guys think of this outfit. I'm gonna rate it quite high. I think I'm gonna rate it like a 9 out of 10. The only thing that would have made it slightly better is if this skirt was slightly shorter. I feel like on the mannequin it looked a lot better than it does on me. It's kind of looking a little bit frumpy because of how long it is, especially under this like chunky sweater. But apart from that, I'm really liking it. Maybe I need to start wearing things like this more often. Moving on to my second favorite outfit that I saw in store. It was this one right here, and I'm sure you guys are like, this is surely your favorite outfit because of the color scheme. I just love this color scheme. However, I was way more drawn to that green outfit, which is so strange for me because I love beige. But either way, here is the first item that this outfit consisted of, and luckily they did have my size, so I got this in an extra small. This was only £12, and it's basically just a really simple long sleeve top with like a scooped kind of neckline. On the bottom, the the mannequin had this skirt on, which honestly, I'm obsessed with. I love anything that's like tartan or plaid. I feel like a patterned bottom is definitely like a really nice way to make a statement without it being too bold. I got this in a size 8 and this was only £10. Now the mannequin was also styled with this cable knit jumper kind of like wrapped around the front, and I really like the look of it. It just spiced things up a little bit. Obviously you could wear it normally as well, but I don't know, I really like the way they styled it. This was £15. I'm not really that keen on the color. I just think it's a bit meh, but I don't know, on the mannequin when it was styled that way, I really liked it. I have to say, whoever paired all these items together definitely did a good job, so they need a raise, because look at the color scheme. Like tone-wise, it just goes perfect. The only item that kind of brings down this outfit is the bucket hat. I don't know if I'm feeling it. I did purchase it just because obviously it was worn by the mannequin and that's the challenge of this video. But I feel like the outfit is definitely much more wearable without this bucket hat. This is definitely not necessary. Regardless though, it is nice quality. It's very soft, and this was £6.50. All right, so here is the outfit. I've tried to style it as best as I could to the original on the mannequin. So I've tied the jumper the same way. I don't really know what they did with like the back of it because it looks a little bit strange on the back, I'm not gonna lie. But if we're looking from the front, it looks somewhat alright. Now, I am a little bit hesitant about putting the bucket hat on because it is freaking boiling in here for one, but also I feel like it's just gonna ruin this outfit. I mean, I bought it, so I guess I kind of have to. Let's just chuck it on and see what it looks like. All right, here it is. Does it look ridiculous? I just feel like it doesn't go with this outfit. Also, I paired it with some brown shoes on the bottom to kind of go with like the whole brown vibe. I have actually also raised the sleeve to make it more quarter length, just like the mannequin had it. And yeah, this is the whole outfit. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this skirt. I feel like that is my favorite part of this outfit. The top is okay. It's a little bit like baggy in some areas, so it's not quite right, but the skirt is everything. As for the jumper, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's also fine, but the bucket hat, I don't know, I just have questions about that one. I'm gonna go ahead and say with the bucket hat, this is like a 5, but without the bucket hat, it's easily like an 8. Now moving on to the next mannequin, I saw these two mannequins right in the corner, and although I really wanted to buy the items for that one on the right, they didn't have the top anywhere. So I ended up settling for the mannequin on the left because they did have everything in stock. However, it's not really my kind of outfit. Maybe I'll change my mind after trying it on, but I'm not really a fan of snake print. I don't know, it's just not really me. I've never loved animal print anything. That's just my personal taste. And honestly, you will never catch me wearing a dress like this. I feel like it's a bit too like grown up for me. I know I'm getting a bit older now, but I still don't really wear things like this. It's basically just a midi dress. It kind of has like a little bit of a shirt collar, a little bit of a cuffed kind of sleeve. I think it's just the pattern that I don't love. Like the actual shape of the dress isn't too bad. Now to go with it, they styled it with this hat, which I mean, I'm not opposed to. I used to actually wear hats like this. I have to say, I don't mind the hat too much. There was a time in my life where I was literally obsessed with hats like this. Am I a hat person now? I wouldn't say so, but I'm willing to try it out with this outfit. And now lastly for this outfit, they actually styled it with a handbag. When I saw this, I fell in love. It literally looks like it could be like a Chanel bag. I swear, all you'd need to do is put the little Chanel logo on here and it legit would look like a designer bag. It's actually very decent quality. It looks to be quite spacious inside, and it does have a long strap as well. I'm honestly in love with this handbag, and I feel like it would just add a little bit of something to this outfit. So here is the next outfit, and as suspected, I just do not feel like me. You know, sometimes when you put a piece of clothing on and you're just thinking, who even is that? You're looking in the mirror and you're like, that is not me. I feel like that's the kind of vibe I get when I try dresses like this on. I feel like, no offense to my mum, but this is very my mum. And these types of things look amazing on her. But for me, I just feel, I don't know, like older, if you know what I mean. I don't know. I feel like this outfit has just aged me. Not in like a bad way, but I don't know, just in a way that makes me feel like not myself. There's absolutely nothing wrong with any of these pieces of clothing. I just feel like together, it's just not really serving me well. However, I do really like the handbag. I think the handbag is absolutely adorable, and I will definitely be keeping it because I feel like I could actually style it in a lot of different ways. But the dress, I don't know, it's just not me, especially the like snake, or is this snake or is this like crocodile. I have no clue, but whatever pattern this is, it's definitely not me. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I think I'm gonna have to give this outfit like a 3. It's just so not my taste. All right, and now the very last outfit, we are back to that front store mannequin, and it's the last one out of the 3. It's the middle one with the green stripy dress and the leather jacket over the top. This dress is one of those items that I normally would just walk straight past and definitely not pick up into my basket, but it's the way that things are styled, especially on the mannequins, that I feel like it just gives you a slightly different perspective on how you can style it on yourself. Quality-wise, it's really, really nice. It looks to be very stretchy, and this was only £13. I feel like green actually doesn't look too bad on me, so maybe I need to get more into this color. Now, over the top, they just styled it with this faux leather jacket. This was £16, which isn't actually that bad. Again, the quality is nice. It doesn't feel like too plasticky, if you know what I mean. This outfit is quite plain and simple, but let's pop it on and see how it looks. And here we are. Here is the last outfit and what it looks like on. I actually really like this. Again, it's totally not the type of outfit that I would normally wear or even pair together, but with these Doc Martens, I actually really like the slightly edgy vibe. I really do think I need to get a little bit more like out of my comfort zone with my outfits. I normally don't wear color or pattern. I just like what I'm used to, and that's like neutral colors, beiges, just plain solid colors. But when I try things like this, it really makes me think like the world is so much bigger and brighter. What do you guys think? Should I start wearing things like this more often? Because I'm a little bit confused now. The jacket is super lovely. I have to take it off though because I am freaking boiling in this. But it gives me a chance to show off the dress underneath. As you can see, it's very, very body tight, but still very stretchy. It's got loads of room. It's actually a really nice shape, and I feel like I could wear it in loads of different ways. This is like the perfect transitioning into autumn kind of dress because it's still very warm, but still a dress. I honestly really, really like it. I didn't think I would. Out of all the mannequins, this was again one of my like least favorite ones, and I didn't think I'd like it, but now that I have this dress on, I'm vibing with it. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I think I'm gonna rate this like a solid 7. All right, guys, so that was everything for today's video. That was me trying out all these slightly different outfits for me. Like, these are definitely far from my personal style, but I actually love these kinds of videos just because it really pushes me out of my comfort zone. It also probably is a bit more interesting for you guys to watch. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below, and also be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see any more videos or challenges like this when it comes to fashion, then definitely let me know in the comments what you want to see next. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.